You can easily get a unique values from your dataset in Microsoft 365 using a unique function like this. Likewise, in Google Sheet, you can use the unique function like this as well. However, in Excel standalone application, unique function is not available. These are the two ways to get unique values from your dataset in the Excel standalone application. The first method is to use advanced filter. Make sure you're in a data tab, sort and filter, and advanced. In here, you're going to select copy to another location. This is your dataset. And copy to, I'm going to start with B1 here. And unique record, I'm going to put a check here and click on OK. The second method is to use index match. Let me undo this. Select your cell B2 here to start off with and press F2 to enter the cell edit mode and use this formula. After that, once you enter this formula, press Ctrl, Shift, and enter to make that into an array output like this. Make sure you have a curly braces here, as you can see in my formula. You don't really see it here if you press F2, but if you look at this formula here, you see a curly braces here. Once that's done, scroll all the way down or drag all the way down the cell formula and you'll get unique values as well. And to get the number of occurrence, you simply use this formula. Let me reorganize my table here. You can simply use this formula like that and then apply to every row.